Welcome to Solthrone Comment Bot Guide. Our tools are very easy to use. You don't have to install anything or know how to code. Just one click and you're ready to go. This comment bot helps keep your token page active. If you want to promote your token on other Pump Fund pages, try our shill bot. Let's start by adding your token address where you want the comments to appear. As you can see, this is the Solthrone token we used for testing. Click the plus button and add your token address. On the right side, you can see the comments from the token you just added. On the left side, you will see several sections. We are in the Account section now, but there are also Flow, Mass Comment, and Settings sections. Let's first go to the Settings section and add your proxy. If you don't use a proxy, you may be blocked from commenting for a few minutes after every few comments. If you don't already have a proxy, click the Get Residential Proxy button to purchase one. We don't get any benefits from Oxy Labs. It just worked best for us. You can either enter your proxy details one by one, hostname, port, username, and password, or paste the full proxy link here. Make sure to select the rotating proxy option so you don't get locked out of commenting. Once you've added your proxy, click the Save Proxy button. Now let's add the accounts we will use for our comments. There are several ways to add accounts. The first method is to click the Create Account button, which creates one comment account at a time. If you want to create multiple accounts at once, click the Bulk Create Accounts button and set the number of accounts you want to create. Here you can see all your accounts. If an account shows as disconnected, just click the Connect button that appears on that account. In the Account section, you can post comments, update your profile, or delete an account. Here's how to post a comment. Here you can see your posted comment. You can also update your Pump Fund profile, username, description, and image to make your accounts look more natural. As you can see, your Pump Fund profile information has changed. We didn't upload an image, so it hasn't changed yet, but you can set any image you want. On the right side in the comment section, you can like or reply to any comment using any of your accounts. As you can see, it shows up on Pump Fund right away. You also have the option to import accounts. You can add them one by one, upload a JSON file from our other bots to use the same accounts, or paste the contents of your JSON file. Let's switch to the comment flow section. In this section, you can pre-build whole conversations to make them look natural. You can post comments, reply to your own comments using different accounts, and like those comments with any account you choose. You can create several flows and load anyone you want. To start building your flow, click the Add Action button. From there, you can add a comment or like all comments. First, select the account from your list that you want to use for this action. Then choose the action, Post Comment or Like All. Keep in mind that liking all comments might take some time if there are many. For the first action, choose Comment. Now write your comment. If you want, upload an image to include with your comment and set a delay before the next action is posted. Now, if you want to interact with this comment, you can choose to reply or like it. Let's start with replying. Just like for posting a comment, choose the account you want to reply with. Then write your reply, add a picture if you wish, and if you want, set a delay before the next action. Then click Add Reply button. Now we can like the reply we just made using a different account. Select an account and click the Add Like button. You can add as many actions as you want and build your flow however you like. Let's set up a few more actions before we run the flow. You can also edit any action, change the comment or reply text, update the image, change delay, or choose a different account for that action. If you want, you can add more flows to have them ready whenever you need them. Now let's start the flow we just built. You can see the comments appear on the right side in the comment section and on the Pump Fun website as well. The flow is complete. Now we can check to make sure everything was posted correctly. If you want to run the same flow again, you can reset its progress using the Reset button and then start it again. You can change the order of your actions, but you cannot move a reply or like action above the action it is responding to. Now let's switch to the Mass Comment section. Here you can paste many comments and run them until all are posted, or in a continuous loop until you stop. Just like in the Flow section, you can create templates for mass comments that you can reuse later. Set your template name. If you want, you can also add the token name and symbol for reference. You can add as many comments as you like. Each new line creates a new comment. When you're done with one comment, press Enter to start another. Then save your template and load it. You can also add comments by clicking the Paste Comments button. There you can either write your comments one by one or paste comments that you have prepared elsewhere. You can also edit or delete any comment you want. Also, if you have used a template for another token before and want to use it for a new one, you can easily update all the references. Just click the Search and Replace button where you can search for specific text and replace it with new text, like a token name or symbol. Now that we have set our comments, let's continue with the rest of the settings. If you want your list of comments to run continuously in a loop, select the Loop box. Once all comments are posted, it will start over until you stop it. If you want your comments to be posted only once, leave the Loop box unselected. Next, set how many seconds of delay you want between each comment. Now you can choose whether to use your existing accounts, the ones you've created. If you choose existing accounts, they will be used in order, and once the list is finished, it will start again from the top. If you choose single-use accounts, a new account is created for each comment. This adds a bit of time to posting because of account creation, and these accounts are not saved after they are used. Let's select your existing accounts first with the loop option enabled and start the bot. As you can see, it keeps posting comments with our accounts. When all comments are posted, it starts over from the beginning of the list. Let's stop the flow and reset its progress. Now run it with single-use accounts and disabled loop option. As you can see, it takes a bit more time to post each comment because a new account is created for every comment, and it stops once it has posted all the comments from the list. That's it. I hope this guide helps you understand every option. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask us on any platform. You can find all our contact options and other tools at solthrone.com. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for new tools.